Hi, this is Jarvis Cloud Sr. at Day1Marketing Inc., where online marketing begins. I'm glad to present to you your free marketing course, 100% free from myself and Day1Marketing Inc. Please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Day1Marketing Inc. Additional free marketing courses, free software, and tools will always be provided in the links in the description below as well. Thank you again from Jarvis Cloud Sr. and Day1Marketing Inc. Enjoy.
Identify your list segmentation strategy. By separating your list subscribers into smaller sublists based on specific interests or preferences, you can send them more targeted information, and this can lead to them buying more products. You can also segment people based on their purchasing behavior. Now, you're leaving a lot of money on the table if you keep most of your list members in a big general list. In fact, you can send update after update to this list, and I can almost guarantee that the majority of the people are probably not going to care what you're saying. It would be a better use of your time to get this list of people to filter themselves. But what types of lists are there? Well, the best sort of list is a buyer's list. Once they're on this, you can send them better crafted or more targeted emails to get them to buy more stuff. Specialized email lists. These lists target more specific needs over time, so you can send updates that are really targeted. This increases the likelihood the people on the specialized list will buy something because you're pushing products and services that cater to their particular interest. Another way you can segment is to get people to sign up to a specific list right from the beginning. That way you don't even start with a general list. Instead, when people go to your blog or your website, they see different ads for mailing lists that actually talk about specific issues. They're very different from each other. So when somebody clicks on a particular ad, they sign up for a list that only talks about the issues raised by that very same ad. You could also offer incentives that address only highly defined specific issues. Now, this is a slower way of building lists, but it is much more targeted. Another approach you could take involves selling lower dollar items. You start with a general list and you promote low ticket items. When people buy these, they end up on the buyer's list we mentioned, and they're automatically unsubscribed from the main list. Given enough time, you should have a fairly nice list of people that are willing to get their wallet out. You then focus most of your time crafting high converting emails that target your buyer's list and maximize your return on effort. This saves you a lot of time. You should still send emails to your general lists and focus on value, but also advertise lower ticket items now and again to get them on the buyer's list. Now, don't panic. People do sign up and after some time they unsubscribe. However, you can reduce your unsubscribe rate by asking people who wish to do so to change the update frequency of the membership instead. Depending on the provider you're using, you can offer list members a choice as to how frequently you will send them updates. Don't neglect this powerful tip because this can save your list. But why should you segment your lists? Well, people find themselves in your mailing list for a wide variety of reasons, and while they share a common interest in your niche, that's probably the only thing they have in common. As a result, they might be at different stages of the conversion process, so they may need more information before they commit to buying a product, for example. Others are already clear on the solution they want. They need a recommendation. You can't send the same message to all these people and expect the same results, and that's where segmentation comes in. You need a separate process where the people can be sent messages that will push them closer to the point of conversion based on where they are.